Seche mar rowere mathoth wuok e skunde kendo manyo tije, riwruok mar Lilian Gala Network ne okelo kanyakla jolony e sekta mopogore opogore mar jiwo weg tije mondo mi ochwal tije n'oganda man kod lony. Ka giloso e magawa moro e bore Nairobi kotelnegi kod Lilian Gala, ne gijiwo rowere mondo owuog oko kendo riwre gi weg Kembe kaka yorno mar kelo tudruok makare. Romono nokelo oganda ma jolony kendo gi ji mathoth mamanyo tije. Jata tije makojolo mar Kenya Bankers Association Raymond Molenje bende nonyiso mor mare kaluwore gi thuolo mag tije ma rowere mamanyo koro inyalo chuogi e yo makare.
What you are doing is we have professionals from different lines, from different fields, and you are getting to meet, you are getting to interact, connect, because most of the time you find that our backgrounds, our experiences, our CVs are never enough. There is that breach that we need to connect, we need to work on so that we are able to connect opportunities, we need to connect people with jobs, and all that comes with building relationships. So networking is all about getting to know each other, getting to interact, getting to connect. And the more you connect, the more you're opening possibilities, the more you're unlocking those potentials that might not be possible out of having your CV or maybe having good backgrounds, having good experiences. There's a way networking will catapult, or rather just give you that avenue that experiences and exposure might not give you.
Unfortunately, we haven't had very good mechanisms to be able to refine our skills or even just prepare our youth to be able to join the world of work. So what you're doing with the Lilian Gala Network is actually to be able to prepare our youth who are coming from colleges, coming from universities, to be able to get into employment. Also empowering those who are already in employment to be able to enhance their skills so that they can actually be able to take up more responsibilities.